There are several different ways you can create geometry for your post-intervention plan. If you're creating a feature from scratch, you can use the map tools to draw polygons, line strings, and trees using point and click or freehand mode. Make sure to turn on snap and overlap avoidance for ease of use when drawing geometry. And to make sure that you have no overlaps or gaps in your plan. When drawing freehand, you can choose how detailed the geometry is by setting the simplification amount in the Map Tools settings. You can retain any individual baseline feature by clicking on the baseline and copying it to your plan. As well as the geometry, this will copy over all feature information, including habitat, custom feature name, condition, and strategic significance. You can also copy your entire baseline into the plan from the baseline drop-down. If you have pre-existing geometry, you can import it in the form of a shapefile from the BNG plan drop-down.